YouTube. How's everybody doing out there? I'm catching weird stuff in the sky. Trying to put up more videos. Just, you know, dealing with computer issues. Someday that will be solved. But for right now, we're in South Africa. Check out this anomaly in the sky. It's a square-looking lens thing. It's got square reflections around it, which we see in Canada all the time, these big giant triangles. Nobody knows what they are. I think this is part of the lens system extended in the upper atmosphere. It's about 40 minutes clip. I'm going to reduce it to 2 minutes. I'm going to put an x-ray on it and a couple filters. Look how it's square. I'm not joking. It looks square to me. And then you also see this kind of like striped planet. This thing's time-lapse, so it's moving. But look at that. That's amazing. There's that little square going around it. Wait till you see when I x-ray it, you really see what's going on. You see the framework. Anyways, there's also, you'll also notice the clear blue sky on the left, right? No clouds. So watch when I filter this, what I bring out, okay? Keep watching. Anyways, you guys have a great Sunday. I'm going to try to put up another 2 videos. I'm going to try. Little short ones, alright? So keep watching. Now you don't see any of this. You see how that dark spot on the left is going in and out? It's moving. The sun's on the right. That weird anomaly, that square lens looking things underneath, and then you have the reflections of squares. But watch how the black orb on the left just you don't see it in the blue sky. So there's so many chemtrails and so many geoengineering chemicals in the sky and reflective type materials, aluminum, barium, and all this mercury reflecting everything. You don't see this happening. But, you know, I put the gamma down on this one, and you can see it actually moving as the sun moves over. That square thing is changing positions, but the reflections are staying. But meanwhile, the dark planet on the left, it just moves out of the way in a minute here. That's the best part about time-lapsing. Excuse me. Best part about time-lapsing is you can see this activity where you can't with your normal eye. So as you can see, I just darkened it a little bit more, and you can see that. I mean, the black orb's obvious, right? What I think it is one of the planets. I think they're pretty big. I think that whatever's on the left, they have to check Samuel Hoffman's site to see what the update is. And whatever they're doing with that pink square lens, it's all trying to obscure the view, distract your vision. You think it's just a lens flare, but there's a lot going on there. You can really see it when it's darker. Now, I'm going to throw the x-ray on there in a second. And on the x-ray, remember, everything that's dark is lighter, so you're going to watch that area. It looks like a sun coming out. But it's not a sun, because we know the sun's on the right, and you see the reflection on the water. The square lens thing, I have no clue. I'm going to zoom in on it here. Get the x-ray, I'll zoom in on it. But I'm still amazed with the black orb pulsating. You know, it's time-lapse, 40 minutes, so you probably wouldn't see the difference with your eyes anyways as you stood there. Time-lapse your eyeballs, but you can't do that. But keep watching. It gets weirder. So here I go, I'm x-raying this. I'm going to zoom in on it. And you can see the x-ray, you know, it shows you the metal structure, what you're looking at. And there is a square on the end. It kind of looks tubular, and then it comes down, there's a square. But I tried to get the best, just this item on the x-ray, just this thing. And zoom in on it just to see another. Above is the sun. You can see the sun going rays, and there's no clouds, so why is the sun going up and down as well as the planet getting darker and lighter? I don't know, but there's the x-ray on it. It does reveal that there is an item extended down into the atmosphere from the sun area, which is probably the lens array, the whole outfit. But this is a question for Jeff P. I have no clue. I'll go back to a darker version and call this one quits, because it's just a strange video. So anybody know Jeff P out there, if you guys visit his site often, tell him Fernald's got some weird phenomena. Reflection, sun sim sticking out of the sky. You need to check it out. Jeff, check this out. I don't know what it is. You do a show on it and tell me what it is. I do no clue. I don't think you've showed anything like this yet. But put some words to it, bro. This is weird. All my followers here, my subscribers, want to know. Now look at that black planet just pulsating. Could that be the sun pulsating and making it look that way, or because it's a curve? I think it's a planet. What do you think? Comment. Hey, I got more videos coming out. I had a little bit of a problem last week. It took me 6 days to get a video out. If you missed them, your notifications off, and make sure it's turned on by clicking the bell. Subscribe if you haven't, and thumbs up for everybody, because thumbs up help me advertise. Talk to you later. God bless, people. Got Jesus? I do. You need him in this weird stuff going on. Okay, you see these strange clouds? Well, I don't think they're actually clouds. Out of all the year and a half I've been doing this, I've been up in the Alps, and I've been up in Italy, and I've been up in Rome, and all these mountains, and I've never seen clouds that close to the camera, that clear, and multiple shots of it. So next video, you're going to see a sneak peek at that right now. But next video, it's going to be all about UFOs and some amazing orbs up in the Alps. All right, so stay tuned. God bless.